Hello, Tigers. I hope you're having a terrific Thursday. Today, we're gonna solve the problems like these. It's called word problem with multiplication or division of integers. And so first, let's get reading with our instructions. Answer the questions below. Note that a change can be an increase or a decrease. For an increase, use a positive number. For a decrease, use a negative number. For both of these problems, it's an increase, so we don't need to use a negative number. So for number 1, it says a tram moved downward 36 meters in 4 seconds at a constant rate. What was the change in the tram's elevation each second? So there are some key words that I want you to note. If it says each, it probably means you need to divide. And then in this one it says, in a lab, a substance was heated by 2 degrees Celsius each hour for 14 hours. What was the total change in temperature? In here it says total change, so that means that you're going to probably need to multiply those two numbers to get your result. But first let's solve the first one. If a tram moves downward 36 meters in 4 seconds at a constant rate, that means we need to find, according to the question, how many meters does it move in each second? How does it change in each second? So we're just gonna do 36 divided by 4, and that's gonna be 9. So that will be 9 meters. Next, it says, in a lab, a substance was heated by 2 degrees Celsius each hour for 14 hours. So it's going to keep raising each hour by 2. And it's going to raise until 14 hours is complete. So what are we going to do? It says, what was the total change in temperature? So it started out at, let's say, 10 degrees Celsius. We're going to need to keep adding 2 degrees Celsius 14 more times. So in here it doesn't tell us starting number. We're just going to calculate how much 2 times 14 would be in the end. So 2 times 14 is equal to 28 degrees Celsius. So that will be your answer. Celsius. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me by email, and I'll be happy to help. Alright, have a nice day. Bye.